Yeah, hello. So this is about recent, what I felt. There are, a lot of platforms available, like LinkedIn, Intentala, and um, Indeed and all. And you might be thinking how, which is the best one and where to apply. So this video is about how you can get more, you know, instant replies from HRs of the company. I will in the like listen to the complete video to understand actually what I am trying to explain, and also you can ask some questions after that. So that I also face such challenges, and so I have done some different ways of so I got some opportunities instantly. Where sometimes if you don't, for example, you're so let's take a scenario. For example, you are working and then your notice period is like completed, and then suddenly you would be thinking, oh, now my days are getting wasted. Okay, so how to get the job instantly? So this is about how to do so that you don't lose too much of your time, or 10 days or 15 days. So what you can do, first of all, don't focus on any one platform. And as I'm telling you, mm, if, like I was also thinking, and there are many people like we set our convenience accordingly. Like we think, oh, this is a very easy platform to use, just keep on applying on that. So that will not go, first of all. And don't apply on all the similar jobs. Just read information and apply on few of them which you think is relevant, instead of, because then once you will get your call from the relevant companies, so it will be a more of time waste, right? And also you should keep track of who is contacting you, how they are contacting you. And what else you can do is, first of all, try different softwares, and most of them will not be having the application. So just use your browser and laptop instead of just looking for apps on the phone. And do one more thing, instead of just searching on LinkedIn directly, what I tell you, so like you are applying a job, right? do search the hashtag, right? Or you can use the Facebook also, seeing hiring and all. So there are various other ways. And also if you have to be very specific, use filters in the platform. Don't just keep scrolling, it will be a waste of your time. And use filters properly, what exactly you are looking for, and read, for example. And also you should be selective, right? You should not be applying in all the different industries. For example, like you are applying in finance sector also, medical also. So, and what I suggest, also don't change the particular sector. For example, whatever you are doing, maybe a developer, or maybe you know you could be doing other things. For example, you are into business development. So yeah, I'm into education and development, business development also both. So stick to at least one or two sectors. Don't every time keep on exploring, because it will be a big challenge in longer run, because organizations are generally looking for a very specific. So do one thing, and also prepare a very well precised resume, not irrelevant details, and also not too much in less the information. So it should be important. So what you want to show exactly, that should be there, right? So the main thing which I wanted to convey in this is, use different platforms, use hashtags or search on LinkedIn directly instead of applying. You can maybe finding some post where the recruiters would be hiring. So you can search in that way, and there are various other ways also. If you want to know that, you can let me know in comments. And also I will be creating further some videos on how to create a better resume, and what should be present and what should not, because there can be many situations, but you are putting some information that might not be of value, and may also be causing rejections because of that information. So put what is appropriate for them, and after seeing that, they should not be thinking something negative. So don't put irrelevant things. So it's not, being too much transparent. I will tell you about these kind of things in the next upcoming videos. Thank you guys, and please like and subscribe, and also do one thing. So if you have want me to create something related to, jobs and all, you are facing some challenge, you can put in comments, and also I will be creating the videos on that. And these are my first few videos, and I will be working on that. And also just let me know, like, which software do you feel is the most easy one to apply, and what softwares you know but you haven't tried yet. So I will just let you know. So there are a lot of platforms. Okay, thank you guys, bye, have a nice day.